Looking to master the art of real estate videography? Look no further. Introducing Mastering Real Estate Videography, your ultimate guide, a comprehensive video that covers everything you need to know to excel in this exciting field. In this tutorial, we dive deep into the world of real estate videography, providing you with valuable insights, tips, and techniques to create stunning videos that captivate potential buyers and showcase properties in the best light. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced videographer looking to enhance your skills, this guide is tailored for all levels. Discover the essential equipment needed to capture breathtaking shots, including cameras, lenses, stabilizers, and drones. We share expert advice on framing your shot strategically to highlight architectural features and capture the essence of a property. Learn how to create engaging narratives that effectively communicate the story behind each home, utilizing captivating music, voiceovers, and well-crafted scripts. Moreover, we unveil the secrets of post-production editing, guiding you through software tools and techniques to elevate your videos to professional-grade quality. From color grading and enhancing image clarity to adding smooth transitions and integrating effective call-to-action overlays, our guide covers it all. Stay ahead of the YouTube SEO game with our optimization techniques specially designed for real estate videography. Learn how to research and incorporate keywords, write compelling descriptions, and create eye-catching thumbnails that generate clicks and boost your video's visibility. So, whether you're a real estate agent, a videographer looking to specialize in real estate, or simply passionate about the art of cinematic storytelling, Mastering Real Estate Videography, your ultimate guide, is a must-watch. Amp up your videography skills and ace the real estate market.